Hi there, my name is Marlena, and today we will go over how to set up and navigate your Pumble workspace as a new user. Most likely you received an invitation to join the workspace via email, and here's what you have to do next.
Open the email with the invitation link, click Join Now, and you'll be directed to Pumble in a new browser tab. Here, enter your name, agree to Cake.com's terms of use, and click Create Account. And you're in.
Alternatively, you can join the workspace by logging directly from Pumble. All you have to do is go to Pumble and then enter the email where you received an invitation.
Then the authentication code sent to that email. Accept the invitation to join the workspace, and then follow the same quick steps previously described.
Now that you have joined a workspace, let's see what it actually is and comprises.
In this video, I'll be using the browser app, but I highly recommend downloading Pumble's desktop and mobile apps for a seamless experience. When you log in for the first time, you'll see this Get Started set of icons at the top. Join a channel, send your first message, edit your profile, and download apps. You can hide them or close them for good when you no longer need them. The layout is broken down into the following areas. Your left sidebar helps you navigate and find your conversations, files, and teammates. All your team exchanges will be grouped by channels and DMs. Upon joining a workspace, you're automatically added to the general and any other channel made default by the admins. Now, in time, the number of items in this sidebar, groups, channels, and DMs, will likely grow, and you will probably need a way to organize them. We got you covered. You can add customizable collapsible sections to categorize your conversations, be it by project, team, purpose, or whatever else makes sense to you. And you can even add an emoji for better visual recognition. And then drag and drop your combos in. Now, by default, as a regular user, you can create both public and private channels for different topics, functional teams and projects, even fun, non-work related stuff.
Well, something's gotta replace those water cooler talks in this virtual office, no?
Here's a useful reminder. Closing a conversation does not delete it. It just removes it from the sidebar. You can find it again by using the search bar at the top of the window. The central section is by and large reserved for messaging, but there are a few other items in the top bar that are important for you to know about. Every time you click it, the Pumble button always takes you back to the general channel. Next to it, if you click on your workspace name, you open a drop-down menu with options to create new sections and channels, set your preferences and notifications, which we will discuss in a bit. Then, by going to Workspace Settings, configure Workspace apps and see all Pumble integrations. And finally, add and switch to different workspaces. Then there is Recent History and the already mentioned search bar. Moving to the right, the bell icon gives you the option to pause notifications for a certain period of time. Next to it is the Help section, then the Status Update, and finally your profile information and settings. In the center of the workspace, you have the body of your current conversation. All the messages exchanged, call logs, shared files, and such, and it is another place from which you can start your meetings directly. On the bottom, there's the text box with its many formatting options. You can send audio and video messages, attach files, links, and so on. In the majority of cases, the right sidebar shows threads. It can also display details about you and your colleagues in a channel or a message, including other channel details. Pro tip, there's another use for the right sidebar. If you press Ctrl or Command/, you open a list of the most used Pumble keyboard shortcuts. You'll find a full list of shortcuts on our website. To update your name and add your email address and profile picture, click on the avatar with your initials in the upper right corner, and then select Manage Cake.com account. This will take you to a browser tab with your Cake.com account information, and there you can update each item one by one. The changes made here will be reflected across all other products and workspaces you may have within the Cake.com ecosystem. To further personalize your Pumble Workspace profile, go back to the app and click on the same button as before, which now features the uploaded profile picture, and select My Profile, and then enter your job title and phone number. Setting up your profile allows your teammates to learn more about you and your role in the company or team. Now that what others see about you is taken care of, it's time to personalize the app to suit your needs. Click again on your profile picture and select Preferences to open the Preferences window. In the General tab of notifications, you will first have to enable desktop notifications. You of course don't have to go through this step if you're using the desktop app. Now, in the General tab, you can choose what kinds of messages and activities you want to be notified about. Set up different notification preferences for your phone app, set notification schedule so that, for instance, you get none outside your business hours. Then you can personalize notification sounds, and see and manage channel-specific notification preferences. In the Email tab, you opt for receiving email notifications, including updates and announcements, or not. In Themes, you set up your, theme. You can make it light, dark, or sync it with your operating system. In Languages and Region, you can change the app language and set your time zone and time format. In Sidebar, you can further customize your left sidebar by choosing which pages you want to be visible and by selecting if you want to see all your conversations, just the unread ones, or customize settings for each section. And lastly, you can pick how the conversations are sorted. In Messages, you can customize options in your quick menu, which shows up when hovering over a message, and how you want the return key to act when you're typing in the text box. In Accessibility, you choose how links and animated images and emojis are displayed. You're also given more information on Pumble keyboard shortcuts. Finally, in Advanced, you can enable and disable previews, and so on. For a more detailed tutorial on how to customize your profile, check out the linked video. Once you're done with preferences, just close the window. Your choices are automatically saved.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, you can check out our website or YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe though. This is all for now, and I'll see you next time.